Hello traders, we're back with our daily market analytics. We got the euro dollar. I think that deserves an update here. We got a very interesting situation right now as the euro seems to be having a hard time to break above 113.48, 113.49. That was my official trigger actually for a bullish position. I did pull the trigger and jumped the gun, so to speak, started before prematurely because I believed in the bigger picture. But I gotta tell you, this obstacle here seems to be stubborn, right? We see in the past 3 days, price had been trying to break through and failed in all 3 attempts, right? And that's not a very good sign. It doesn't mean that it's not going to be successful on the next attempt. But the fact that it's been failing here 3 consecutive times suggests that this is a strong resistance. Now we're still in the lower section of our black setup here, which presents the very local price section, and we're trying to focus on the short-term perspective by just riding an upside move to the upper section again, right? But if I take it to the big picture, we see some further potential on the upside, because if I look at the blue system here, then this actually presents what I call a potential trading range, right? We only have 2 legs right now. Price after the second leg started to trade sideways, basically entered that lower scale trading range. But if price will begin to move up at this point right now, it would basically mean that we're going to have a third leg, right? So that's actually a medium-term perspective, and it could go all the way to 116. That's medium-term to long-term, I would say. And it could easily push all the way to the top section right here, 1694. That should be the very minimum level in case what I've just described is going to take shape. Anyway, we're still going to focus on the short term right now because we have this 1348 here, which is the main test level, main point of reference. We need to cross that level before I'm going to fully commit to this bullish position, which means I'm going to reinforce and increase the position once we get past that key level. Now, stop loss level was adjusted to 111.50. It was 111 initially, so 50 pips of adjustment on the stop loss level. I'm going to watch very closely how things are going to play out here because I'm ready to pull out altogether. I only need some indication that price is starting to reverse, right? Starting to pull back. That's going to be enough for me to split, right? And I'm gonna have to come back to the euro dollar later on and reanalyze the situation. Right now, it's a bit sketchy since obviously we're having a hard time to break through here. All right, guys, that's about that for the euro. Still bullish outlook, but you know, kind of I'm kind of raising the warning flag at this point, and I will have to come back and follow up on this one. Till next time, be well.